turtles. We have another turtle. This is Will's trend. He's on a turtle trend.
I like it.
Turtle updates. Turtles sunning on an unstable log in the river.
Oh, this is great. Teamwork.
Wow. That doesn't seem very relaxing, though, that they have to keep... Oh, they're all going down.
That was just fun.
Are they all going down?
Well, they come back, though.
Shout out, Daniel. Thank you for the super chat. Have fun in Vegas. They go down, they go up. They get some sun, then they get dunked. And I guess that they like a little bit of both. Sometimes you get warm, and then you cool down.
Climb back up.
Yeah, it's a little balance to it. But they certainly find a rhythm. Mm-hmm. They find a rhythm to rock back and forth.
That's cool.
But you would want the log to be still because you're sunbathing.
But it can't happen because there's all these new guys want to get on there.
Yeah.
They
can't
that,
relax.
They're like, that looks pretty good. So they start to climb up, which pulls
Fred.
Pulls the log down and gets it rocking again.
It's like last guy to stay on the log wins, and the guy.
Yeah. No, I mean, some guys have great position. I mean, if you watch closely, some guys, they're never in doubt. The big guy, he's doomed from the get-go.
And he's sideways.
He's
not centered.
I mean, he's as big as the whole log, so like something's dipping. He's not getting completely dry no matter what.
He's the problem. He's tilting the whole.
He's definitely a problem, no doubt. And his whole butt gets dunked every swing, and then he's like, at some point, I think he gives up because I don't know if he lost grip. I think he's just like, enough of that. He swims away. Enough of that.
That's classic.
Yeah, enough of that sun tanning.
Yeah.